Introducing Dermaqueen by Magnetone London. Hi, my name's Laura Law. I'm a beautician and I also write a beauty blog called Laura Law Beauty. I specialise in skincare and today I'm going to be talking to you about Magnetone's Dermaqueen Dermaplane tool. Anybody can use the Dermaqueen tool. It's suitable for all skin types, but it's particularly great for people who are pregnant or maybe have sensitivity as a physical exfoliant rather than a chemical, which some people can often react to. First of all, you need to attach your blade and then you select the desired setting. There are 3 types of vibrational settings, the fastest being the most gentle. Once you have selected your desired setting, start working from the centre of the face and then work outwards. It's essential that you always support the skin and apply the blade against the hair growth in light feather-light strokes at a 45-degree angle, and don't go over the same area more than 4 times. Always start at the forehead and work upwards against the hair growth. Then we'll work down from the bridge of the nose, supporting the skin at the top as we go. Then we'd move from the side of the nose outwards towards the edge of the face, always working in light feather-light strokes. Then we'd move on to the upper lip. Lots of people have excess hair growth on the upper lips. This is a great alternative to waxing and threading. Hold the skin tool with the opposite hand and glide the tool in small motions against the hair growth. On the chin area, support the skin and apply the tool in upwards motions. Last but not least, we'll move on to the neck area. Tilt your chin backwards and still use your hand to support the skin whilst gliding the tool upwards against the hair growth. The treatment should be carried out once every 2 weeks and shouldn't take any longer than 5 to 10 minutes. It's important to always use the Dermaqueen tool on clean, dry skin to get the best results. And after using the tool, make sure that you don't use any products with active ingredients such as retinol or acids. The best types of products to use are gentle and hydrating, so a nice hyaluronic acid serum to really infuse that moisture into the skin, a nourishing or soothing moisturiser, and it's important to remember to always use SPF because it's important to use SPF all the time anyway, but the skin is going to be more photosensitive as we've removed the surface layer of dead skin cells. So that's everything that you need to know about using the Dermaqueen. Thanks for watching.